This is today's word. Let's look at its pronunciation, meaning, practical uses, and a few synonyms. Pronunciation. Slump. Slump means a slouch or a bent posture. How to use it in a sentence? When he heard that he didn't win the lottery, he fainted and slumped to the floor. His slump reveals his discomfort with the audience. The second meaning is a decline or fall in prices. For example, a slump in the oil prices enabled the government to recover the ever-rising fuel subsidy. Another one. After the election results were announced, the price of onions slumped back to normal. Means it was too high and it came down, it slumped back to normal. Third meaning, a mild recession in the economy. The Wuhan virus has led to a slump in the world economy. The agitators expected an economic slump, but the national leadership made sure that didn't happen. Another one, a period when the performance of the individual or company slows down, becomes sluggish or weak. How to use it? His performance slumped in the last week of the last quarter because he was infected by the Wuhan virus. A slump test is a civil engineer's vocabulary. It's actually a test to measure the consistency and workability of fresh concrete before it sets. Mixes with different slumps are used for different purposes. In a sentence, you can say, it was found that the limestone enhanced the slump test of fresh concrete. Yet another meaning of slump is, it's an American dessert, where the fruits are steamed and topped with biscuits or dumplings. Now let's look at a few synonyms here. As a noun, some synonyms are collapse, crash, depression, downturn, drop. Some informal ways would be downer, blue devils, like they aren't hiring because it seems the blue devils have seized the company. Or blue funk, the economy is in a blue funk right now. The skid, the Sensex went into a skid following a broad-based selling pressure. And as a verb, the synonyms could be to collapse, to plummet, to plunge, to slide, to nosedive. Some informal synonyms could be to keel over, to go to ruin, to loll, to blight. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.